every meat has a different seasoning, so that's how it starts in the back. You know, everything prepped in the back, and then all.
We're at stop number 2 at the Wimberley Glassworks. Hope you guys like this one. Welcome to the Wimberley Glassworks. Today we're in the glass foundry. This is Tim De Jong, owner and head gaffer. Wimberley Glassworks does demonstrations every Saturday. When we got there, they were about halfway through making a light fixture out of decorative glass. And you'll see it takes a lot of time, a lot of patience going in and out of the furnace with that piece of glass. Just so you know, on a summer day it was well over 100 degrees in that foundry. So a lot of people came in and they went right out after they stayed and looked for a couple minutes. So we stayed in there for about a half hour, but we were pretty hot after the show. Just to give you a little history lesson, this location opened in 2006. The art of glass blowing is about 2,000 years old. Basically, there's only 2 tools used in the process of glass making. That's stainless steel and wood. The glass, when it comes out of the furnace, is about 2,100 degrees. Glass color is made with gold, silver, and copper. As you see, he's constantly rotating that glass, and he's just about done with this. They're just going to cut it off and they're going to put it in that drying kiln, and it's going to stay in there for about 24 hours. But enough of the history lesson. Let's go check out the gallery. Hey everybody, this is stop number 3. We're in Lockhart, Texas.
We're going to check out Kreuz BBQ. Says it's been here since 1900, so 126 years. They got to be doing something right. So let's go check out some barbecue.
Let's go see.
$15.46 on the brisket.
Their classless Neanderthal.
That's all I need.
What about a moist brisket? Two more slices of your brisket.
You know, so we got our own recipe. That's a secret right there. But everything else, I mean, everything's got it's different seasoning. Every meat has a different seasoning. So that's how it starts in the back. You know, everything prepped in the back, and then all these guys bring everything up to the front. We start at 6 o'clock in the morning. We start cooking. By 10:30, we're open.
Wow.
I mean, it's high heat.
So what time you start cooking these briskets?
We start cooking that stuff over here. These back ones over here. We start on these back here. We fill all this stuff up with meat. Everything that we sell, we start back here. And I'll show you back there. We see those pits back there?
Yeah.
Also, you want to follow me that way?
Okay.
And we also cook them these right here. These right here on the weekends. On the weekends, because we cook a lot of briskets, at least 80 for Saturday, 80 for Sunday.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's like 160. And then these right here, we cook it here. We cook ribs and brisket in these right here. We don't have any right now, but these got it's got the gauge, real temperature, high heat. I love these things right here. Like I said, we transfer everything. Those two over there are considered like the warmers.
Okay.
Yeah, everything right now, it's yes, we got fire going, but it's not as hot as like in the morning.
So somebody's gonna have to come fill these up tonight?
No. We don't do everything tonight. We come in 6 in the morning. We
So
don't
at
have
6 in
night
the morning,
shift.
that's how you get
I
started?
open up
Okay.
the place at 5:30 in the morning. The guys come in, they start their fires, they throw the meat on. We cook. Like I said, everything's got different temperatures. We make sure we temp everything. Everything's got a temperature. If it's ready to go, we transfer it over here. 10:30, we're open. We're good for sale. You know?
Sounds good.
Not that difficult. It's really you just do it.
Yeah, but
repeatedly
boy,
every
boy,
day.
that tastes.
Oh,
Man.
Yeah, some other guy came in here a while ago too. So.
Yeah.
I told him, well, it all starts in the back. That's where I'm at in the morning. See, I'm here. I'm one of the managers here. My name is Simon Perez. I open up in the morning. I work in the back. We make the sausage here. We prep everything. I come up to the front after lunch. I stay here at least till 5 o'clock. That's my day.
So I had your jalapeno sausage, and I've had it at other places, but tasting your guys, that's the real deal, man. Oh yeah.
Like I said, we got the recipe here, and I got it. Look,
Yeah.
it's right here. So, but nobody else uses it. We use it. Like I said, we used to be partners with Smitty's. That's his sister.
Yeah, yep.
That's his sister.
Yeah.
Whatever happened, and then we're here. We've been here ever since.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I came to Kreuz for a long time.
Really?
I've been coming to here Lockhart for since I was a kid.
Yeah.
Since I was little. There's no other barbecue
Oh yeah.
around.
Kreuz actually was
Yeah.
at Smitty's. They used to have the upstairs open also. long time ago when we were young.
She said it when I said, "Let's go have some barbecue in Lockhart," and I said, "What about blacks?" She says, "No, we're going to Kreuz." Yep.
So we appreciate that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
But like I said, it's just a repeated motion every day. The same thing.
Yeah, but practice makes perfect.
Okay.
Time to get some sides and try out some of this food. Here's a true taste test. Brisket. Just pulls apart. That's a real deal. Okay guys, we're on to some sides. That's a cheesy potato casserole something. Sauerkraut. I can never pass up sauerkraut anywhere of any kind. A potato salad that my wife's already half eaten. And pinto beans. Pinto beans is a staple here in Texas. And now we're on to the sausage. Now the jalapeno sausage just snaps. Perfect. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. I have to admit, I committed a sin here in Texas. Anybody that knows anything about Texas barbecue, good barbecue, brisket, you never have barbecue sauce. I had barbecue sauce. I had to. Sorry. Well, folks, that wraps up this week's video. We hope you liked it. If you like this video, check out our channel. Till next time, we'll see y'all later.